Welcome back, guys. This morning I'm canning wedges, potato wedges. I prefer them to the chips or French fries, and I've put them in the mason jars with the wide mouths. Now I'm going to be dry packing these. I've had them soaking in water, and that's just to get some of the starch out. That's about the size that I'm doing. Some might be a bit bigger, a bit smaller. But if you don't have time to soak these for about an hour, you can skip that step, and all it will mean is that you've got some starch in your jars, and you can just rinse that off before you use them. So I ended up with 11 jars. I've got 8 on the bottom, and I've popped in my other tray, and I've got 3 on top, so I've double stacked them. I've added my water, 3 quarts. I've gone about 3.5 when I double stack, and I've added some vinegar, and that's to stop your jars from clouding. So I've just put my lid on and turned the stove on. Now this will heat up slowly, and what we're going to be looking for is a steady stream of steam, and once I see that, I will time that for 10 minutes. So I've got a steady stream of steam, and it's been 10 minutes. So now I'm going to put my jiggler on, and I'll wait for it to come up to pressure. Your little button here has popped up, and I'll wait for it to come up to pressure for my elevation. Then I'm going to time it for 35 minutes because I'm using pints. If you were using quarts, it's 40 minutes. So we'll let this do its thing, and I'll bring you back once I'm taking them out. So the jars are out now and they're cooling down. They will sit here until tomorrow morning. I won't touch it at all. Now, if you have a close look, you can see the wedges in there. They've held up beautifully. They look great. I'm really happy with it. Now I have to tell you that this is not USDA approved, so you'll need to make up your own mind, but people have been doing this for years. There's one pop going off. Now here's another jar that I canned up just the other day, and those are spuds. Now they don't look the best, but they've got no water in them as well. The jar next to it, that's got water. So if you're happy just to put the water in, it's fine. I do them both ways. It doesn't really bother me at all. My husband doesn't like the look without the water, so that's why sometimes I do the water. But these turned out absolutely beautiful, and they fry up really well. You can put them in your oven, you can put them in your air fryer, you can just do it on the stove in a pan, and they taste fantastic. So it's up to you, girls. So make up your mind if you want to do it, and just give it a try. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.